Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix brightness not changing or not working in Windows 11, so you can adjust your screen normally again. First, restart your PC, because temporary glitches can affect display controls. Next, update your display drivers from Device Manager or the official website, since outdated drivers are a common cause of this issue. After that, go to Device Manager, expand Monitors, and enable your monitor if it is disabled. You should also check the generic PNP monitor driver and update or reinstall it if needed. Another important step is to go into Settings, System, Display, and make sure brightness control is available and not restricted. Also, disable any third-party display or nightlight apps that may override brightness settings. If the issue continues, reinstall your graphics drivers completely for a clean setup. Finally, restart your PC and try adjusting brightness again, and it should start working properly. Subscribe the channel for more videos.